Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to talk about the red rudder cap. We looked at two different types of material, so stay tuned for a little bit more fun as we show you what we found. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, the first material we looked at is the basic acrylic that everybody's used to seeing. It's nice because it's nice and clear. It molds really well. The problem with acrylic is it's very fragile. It will crack at a heartbeat. Now, this is the one right here, and you can see that there's a crack on it, and as luck would have it, the crack occurs right on the last screw hole that Jimmy was doing. So 3 hours of work to get it to this point, to get it all trimmed, and to get 11 of the 12 holes all drilled, but 11 holes all drilled, but hole number 12 is the one that cracked the thing. So it's a ruined piece. 3 hours lost. Now, Jimmy was able to practice on 2 others, and they came out okay. But again, about 3 hours of labor, which is why we're looking at to have the shop that's going to make these for us use a CNC machine to do all the trimming and routing so that we don't have to worry about breaking them. Now, the piece that you see right here is what's called UVEX, UVEX. This one has not been completely trimmed down yet. You can see it kind of float a little big at the bottom of the mold. It's a little long, but we were checking this material. It's about the same cost, but it has some different properties, and we're just investigating them. In the meanwhile, that's why we're going to take a look at this red rudder cap, and we're going to trim it, and we're going to actually try fitting it on airplanes. So we hope you found all this useful and informative about the red rudder caps. I know a lot of people are asking, but the red rudder caps that we're emulating here are the ones like you can buy from LPO right now for $1,200, and they come untrimmed and undrilled, and you take a chance of breaking them. However, ours we're shooting for about a $600 cost to come drilled and trimmed so they're ready to go on the airplane. So again, ladies and gentlemen, we hope you found all this useful and informative. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. So you've all known our older cat, Freckles, our cat supervisor, and we'd like to introduce the new cats to you. We have Hopscotch there on the left. The other small ginger is Tarzan. He came with that name, and his sister will be popping up in just a second, and her name is Sweet Pea. These are the new cats that we've adopted into our home. It's going to be a nice little family, and we're having a ball. Thanks for watching.